Finally, this is the area of the boy. That is the house of the boy where he built his house. And the Hausa men are living here. This other building here. Finally, the Ijinigbe youth has gone to the police station. And they got to the police station and, burnt the police station down, bring out the boy. After bringing down the boy has to take us to the place where the other Ijinigbe boy is being buried. Now the Ijinigbe boy, we find him buried in this house. Not only him, there are other girls. There's a girl that has ribbon on her hair, buried too. They buried about 5 people. They've kidnapped 5 people that killed them. They collect their part of their body. They buried them here. So that is where we are now. And Ijinigbe people are ready to burn the Hausa boy down. They've killed 3 already in the police station. The police people ran away. Police people have run away now. We find the place that they buried the boy. We are here. They buried the boy in this place. Here, this place you are seeing people are breaking that. That is where the police, this thing stayed, the Hausa boys. Odufa giving this report. Odufa Dukes giving this report now. So we finally got what we want. We've killed 3 Hausa men already from the police station. And the other one that killed the boy brought us to this place where they buried the boy. And the other girls that was being buried along with the boy too. And they said they have killed 5 people so far since they came to Ijinigbe. So thank God we got what we want.